Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to write lowercase character Y and Z. Here we go. Put your marker near to second line, make curve here. Now move your marker downward by touching the third line. Now move your marker upward on second line. Now straightly come down on fourth line, make loop here. Now move your marker upward on third line. Now pick up your marker. Okay, once again I'm going to write lowercase character Y. Put your marker near to second line, make curve here, touch the third line. Now come back on second line. Now straightly come down on fourth line, make loop here. Now move your marker upward on third line. Now pick up your marker. These are lowercase characters Y. Now I am going to write lowercase character Z. Put your marker on second line. Make curve here. Before touching any line, then come down on fourth line by making curve, then making loop here. Now touch the third line after making curve. Now pick up your marker. There is lowercase character Z. Once again I am going to write okay, bring your marker near to second line, make curve here downward between second and third line. Now again make curve downward touching the fourth line, make loop here. Now touch your marker on third line. Now pick up your marker. These are lowercase character Y and Z. Hope all of you have learned it. We will meet in next video. In next video, we are going to learn how to write joining all these lowercase characters A to Z without lifting up your marker. Hope you will wait that. See you. Tata.